Are you tired of your Roborock S7 robot vacuum acting up? When you try to turn it on, does it always display this error message? Don't worry. Take a look at the problems we have solved for our customers. A customer reached out to us with a Roborock S7 robot vacuum that won't work and displays errors. When we tried to turn on the robot vacuum, it just said an error message. Behold, we found the root of the problem. A faulty fan suction. But we didn't stop there. Look at this dusty. The side brushes were leaving it up in the dirt and grime. After a thorough inspection, we recommend fan replacement and deep cleaning service. Upon customer approval, we begin working on repairing the robot vacuum. To ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly, we unit test it before returning it to the customer. And then, the moment of truth. Look at it go! Now the robot vacuum can work properly again. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.